That's not the point.
You figured out how to drift it?
Huh?
Did you figure out how to drift it?
Donut City, baby.
Lady boy.
Lady boy.
Where's the ramp?
Over here.
Always been more great than me. I am great. Thanks.
Did it work?
I got up on the ramp, but since it's not like a smooth entry.
Say good morning, mama. Say good morning, mama. Hey. Say good morning. You got a booger? Does mama need to pick your nose? Say good morning, mama. Say, lady, get this camera out my face. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Honestly, guys, I was supposed to be at school today, but I didn't feel like it. My husband is back at work, and his shift's a little wonky, so I decided to spend time with my family at home. So I am making some seafood foil boil, if that makes sense. You know, like the little shrimp, tails, corn, and stuff in the foil, put in the oven. Yeah, I'm making that, but I'm adding some mussels to mine. I wish we had crab meat. We didn't have that. Don't feel like we're not really good either. So I'm just we have just some Cajun kielbasa sausage, some large shrimp. My husband said don't use a colossal shrimp because we're saving that for steak night. But that corn, potatoes, kielbasa sausage, shrimp, and the mussels. So I'm about to make that right now. I'm gonna show you guys after I finish cooking it. But it's just a real chill day. Real chill. Y'all, honestly, after I made the seafood boil stuff, I didn't even show y'all the after. I did not. Honestly, I cut it up on the couch with my husband. We watched movies. My daughter woke up to eat. And we all fell asleep. Like, all of us. So now, I gotta get up because I'm behind in mommy's schedule of making sure the house is straightened up. Luckily, my kitchen isn't too bad. It's only what I used. But since I used foil, that was the plus side. But it's not too much in the kitchen. I just gotta straighten up because I refuse to go to sleep with my house in disarray. This vlog is gonna be kind of simple because I was supposed to go back to school today, but like I told y'all in the beginning, I just wasn't feeling it because my husband was going to start work so late. I got through that late. And yeah, I wanted to be with my husband today, so that's what I did. But right now, I'm just straightening up so that way I don't wake up with stress on my mind. I don't know about y'all, but does that happen to y'all? Like, if it's clean pants. I'm sorry, when you become a mom, I mean, granted, any person does it, but when you become a parent, you sniff all their clothes just to make sure it's not dirty. These are clean, so fold these. But is anybody else like me where, you know, you can't sleep if your house or your surroundings is in disarray? Because I really feel like you can't think, you can't function. It's cluttered, and I feel like that clutter resonates in your mind, so then you can't think, and then that leads to stress. So I don't know if any of y'all are like me where it's like you have to have your surroundings around you clean in order to function, because that's definitely me. Like, even my son's room right now, I don't sleep in there. They do, but I want to keep that. Actually, wipes, I gotta take that upstairs. But I gotta keep their room clean too, so I feel like they get a peaceful night's rest and that they're not waking up in the morning cranky or groggy or anything like that. I definitely feel like that's what I have to do. I do need to switch out my laundry though, but I definitely am that kind of person that if it's clutter around me, and no offense to anybody if that's the way you like to live, and I'm not saying you're dirty, just as long as you're not a hoarder and you're not being dirty, but if you do have clutter around you, my OCD will kick in and I will start straightening up. Like literally, I will make sure like your magazines or books on your table is aligned. Now, obviously, if you have like an aesthetic going on in your house and you have your stuff shifted a certain way, that makes sense. But I like to have everything in threes. I like to make sure everything is even if it's not in threes. Like even when I was making my husband's stuff, like our food, I had to make sure we had equal amount of potatoes, equal amount of shrimp, equal amount of everything. Call it OCD, but it wouldn't seem right if it didn't. Like I would sit there and think about it all day. But yeah, so right now I'm just straightening up my living room. My daughter, she will sleep down here with us too, but she woke up to eat not too long ago, and I just put her down to sleep. I should probably go close the door. Hold on. Because I didn't close the door. I didn't. Y'all probably hear Mickey Mouse in the background. Y'all, I just went upstairs and my son is in his toy basket. Watch, he gonna tell me later, help, help, because he's stuck. And if I don't go help him, he'll be all right because my son just be yelling for help, but don't really nothing be wrong. So yeah, this is me just straightening up. I know back here in my kitchen, like all my counters and stuff and everything is clean. I'm still gonna wipe them down again though because yeah, you can see that it looks bad, but it's really not that bad. I just gotta keep the foil out the way. Wash the dishes, put my dishes up. These appointments are done today. Tomorrow's the 6th. Y'all, I am on this whole new thing now. Like I used to, I'm not even gonna say used to because it's very much still my motto, preparation meets opportunity. You know, when you prepare for something, when the opportunity arises, obviously you'll be prepared for it so that way you can handle it accordingly and you won't miss that opportunity. But I'm also onto this new motto, which is don't chase, attract. And that goes for everything. That goes for the women that's out here looking for a man, the men that's out here looking for a woman, jobs, your desired goals, money, whatever it is that it is like you're trying to achieve. Don't chase, because you know how sometimes when you chase things, what's the instant, like the instantly as soon as you chase something, like think about a child or you think about a dog or you think about anything, when you chase it, it runs away. You don't want what you want out of life to run away from you, right? So you're going to sit back and you're going to do the things which people call manifestation, you know, prayer, or basically those two things. But you want to attract the things you want out of life. And just like if it was a man or a woman, you're going to do the things that look appealing, that make that person go, ooh, what is that? Whether it's how you smell or, you know, the way you walk, the way you talk, certain things that you do that nobody else does. You want to do things like that that's going to attract your goals and desires. That's the same thing. Like you want to walk in alignment with what you want. You want to be able to put yourself in that same room with your goals, but the way you exude your confidence, the way you exude your passion for it, just everything you do is just like, I don't know why, but I feel like it's this person's time to achieve said goals. So now this goal is coming to you, which is why I always say preparation meets opportunity. So by the time that this goal is coming to you now, while you don't chase, you attract, you've already prepared for this opportunity. So now it's in your lap and you could use it with flying colors. This is why I'm on this whole new thing now. So I'm learning to, obviously I'm always going to stay prayed up. I'm a firm believer in my God, and I'm a firm believer in always, you know, prayer. So, you know, while you're staying prayed up, while you're putting in the work. So just because you pray for something doesn't mean it's always going to happen, because it may not be the right time. And that's people be like, oh, if only we knew about you sooner. No, because maybe I wasn't ready before then. Now is my time. And I'm going to live in the now. I'm not going to think about what if, when. I'm going to think about right here, right now. And ultimately, I feel like in doing so, I can enjoy my journey better. You can enjoy your journey better. And that's a big thing right now with people learning to enjoy that journey, honestly. Yeah, I feel like I'm rambling on to you guys. But like I said, today was just a really, really chill day. And it kind of just gave me like an epiphany, and I've just been basking in that vibe. I've been letting myself relax. I've been letting myself think about it. I've been preparing myself for certain things, and I'm just like, you know what? I do know one thing's for sure. You know, you can't have change without growth, and you can't have growth without change. So you have to change it up if you want to grow to be the person you set out to be. And, you know, obviously if it's in line with God's plan of you. And I think the biggest thing also too is work is empty without action. You have to put the work in if you want to see your goals come to fruition. You have to put the work in. Just because it falls in your lap and you feel like, oh, it's here, and you just sit around and just hear crickets in the background and don't do anything about it, it's just going to leave, or it's going to remain in your lap. You're going to be like, well, why isn't mine working? That's just it, sis. Why aren't you working? You're the one that has to work. So that's the thing I've been on right now, honestly, guys. And I'm just really basking in that. And it feels good. And I feel like I want you guys to know more about my personal journey. Like I always say that, you know, you guys are on this YouTube journey with me. I have, I think, maybe 171 videos or something like that. I don't know. And I feel like each time period I was in a growth stage. And obviously you guys see my makeup side. You guys seen my very much so in-depth labor and delivery vlogs. You guys see my military life, but I feel like you guys still don't know me, and I feel like that's the biggest thing. I want you guys to understand that I am a human being, and I'm regular, and I'm trying to just achieve my goals, become what it is that I want to be in life. I hate when my windows don't get blocked back. But yes, like, I'm just out here on a mission to make sure that I'm achieving said goals. Because I have so many of them. I want to be multifaceted in a ton of things that you guys will see down the road. But just remain on this journey with me, and I promise you'll get to know me more and more. Ooh, corner of the couch each day. But let me make my sons their food, and then I'm going to put them in the bath, and I'm going to put them down for bed because mom is tired. Honestly, when my husband left out, I was like, not confused. Oh yeah, we're not doing this. Make sure you are closed all the way. There we go. Window is locked. But yeah, let me go ahead and do all that stuff and finish straightening up my house, so that way I can come and talk to y'all a little bit more before I end today's video. So y'all, literally, like, I had to sneak upstairs because I wanted to put Nay down because she had went to bed after I fed her. I had changed her and everything, right? You probably just heard Cam. Tell me why when I went up there, I just told you guys that Caden was in his bucket, right? So I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna give them their bath. While they're getting their bath, I'm gonna make their food. So by the time they get out, it'll be nice and hot. They can go lay down and eat their food and watch Wreck-It Ralph. Y'all, I go back upstairs to go clean their room. Quite literally, I'm still in the middle of cleaning their room. Caden got in his bed, got underneath the cover, and he is lights out. Cam is the only person up. So I was just like, okay, so I'm just gonna make Cam something to eat now. I still want to make Caden something just in case he gets up, but the way he's asleep right now, I just changed him and he barely budged. He opened his eyes for a little bit, but my son's telltale sign that he's sleepy is that he starts sucking on his tongue. So he was doing it the whole time I was changing him, so I doubt he's gonna get back up. But I'm gonna make Cam something to eat, and that be that, because he kind of threw me for a loop there. I was ready to put both of them in the bath and give both of them their food, but that's okay. It's okay. He went to bed pretty early, but then again, he was up early because they had a dental appointment today. But just gonna make Cam his chicken tenders and french fries. Ooh, I don't even know if it's in focus. Job never stops. One of my clients just brought their wig by. Yes, it's almost 7, but it's okay. So I'm gonna go put this over in my workstation. I just gave Cameron his food. He's upstairs watching Wreck-It Ralph eating. My baby don't care that their food is fresh out the grease. He over here everything. I'm just like, Cam, it's hot. And he looked at me like, okay, and so he's upstairs eating. I'm currently down here straightening up. I'll probably bring that wig to class with me tomorrow just so I can pluck it and everything there, because I'd rather do that there too than to wait. Because I think her appointment is sometime this week, if I'm not mistaken. Let me go look at my calendar, actually. Yeah. So, it's either that date or that date. I'm going to have to look at my booking site because I didn't put the name on my calendar, but it's installs. I got 2. So, yeah, I'm going to do those. But let me get this trash out. I'm just vacuuming the boys' room. Yeah, so he's good. He's in there eating. Watching Market Ralph. Yeah. Plus, they're gonna be their clothes for tomorrow when they go in the bath. Diaper for Cammy. Some lunch and time to change him. That can go downstairs. This can go downstairs. That's his hatch. What is that? Oh. Who was gonna give them fruit roll-ups? They just have the dental appointment today. It don't matter. So I'm gonna put this hat right here. Where's the other hat? I hope it's downstairs on this couch because my boys have the thing with losing their hats and stuff like that. Put this back. That's lots of laundry is in there. Is that it? Is that the box? It's not, but it don't matter. I gotta sweep. Kitchen, I'm gonna get to you last. Let me go check on my daughter. So I'm in here chilling with Nay, obviously. Say hey, girl. Say hi, mama. Boop, boop, boop. Say boop, boop, boop. Hi. Yeah. Here you go. Grab it back. But, I'm just up here editing right now. This video that you're actually about to see right now. I didn't really have too much left for the vlog because I started talking to my husband. Then I talked to my mother-in-law. And then now I'm literally editing right now and watching TV. So yeah, this is me pretty much just ending this vlog. It was a really chill day today. I'll have more for y'all to come this upcoming Vlogmas. These first couple of days are just really chill, and I'm not going to stress myself out about Vlogmas because I will put it down if I have to. But I just wanted to go ahead and end this vlog for you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.